Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and better self. So today's video is about not getting caught in this. And this is the victim loop. So I'll talk about more about that in a moment. But here's the thing. Years ago, I was teaching spinning classes. I would go in every Saturday morning, sit down, 8 a.m., and in front of the class, and I would say to them, you can either be here and be intentional and put all your effort in and become a better version of yourself, a stronger, better version of yourself, or you can have excuses and, slack off, turn the resistance down, don't do anything. So I gave them that option. But then I told them, I said, there's two sides of this, and there's two kinds of people. There's ones that are excuse makers, and there's ones that are risk takers. And the ones that do the things they need to do to become a better version of themselves. And I said, they're like oil and water. And they are. People that get results in life aren't making excuses. It just doesn't work that way. It's either you're going ahead and looking for results and doing whatever you have to do to achieve that, or you're making excuses. And when you make excuses, guess where you land? You land in the victim loop. And in the victim loop, that's where you get held back. Because you blame, complain, deny, avoid situations. And by the way, if you're avoiding anything right now because of COVID, man, that's a clear indication that there's an issue. And you're in the victim loop. Look at right now. It was raining heavier here a moment ago. I could have just said, hey, I'm not going to do this in the rain. I'm just going to head home and forget it. But I've made a commitment to myself to do these videos, and I've made a commitment to you. And so because I made that commitment, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make sure that I do it and complete it. Rain or no rain, snow, doesn't matter. If you watch my videos, I'm out here every Monday to Friday making videos for you. And right now there's bugs everywhere. So, but the thing is, you get to choose. And if anything, I don't want you to live in the victim loop. Hey, let's create a movement here where, we're not being victims of circumstances, because when we're victims, we lose our power. We basically say to the government and everybody else, the schools, oh, hey, they're in control. We have to do what they're saying, and we lose our power. We give our power away. That's not worth it. So being a victim is losing our power. Being empowered, different, right? Empowered, that's when you're not a victim. That's when you take the circumstances of your life and you say, I'm going to create new circumstances. I'm going to use my mind, and I'm going to be more creative and thoughtful, and I'm going to focus on what I want. And I'm going to go for it. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to set some goals. I'm going to take some action. I'm going to do something. I'm going to create this life of mine instead of just letting it happen. I always say life isn't happening to you, it's responding to you. And if the things around you aren't working for you, the people, the environments, the circumstances, the money you're getting, lifestyle you're living, if that's not working for you, nobody else's problem but yours, and you get to control it. So, like I was saying, there's two kinds of people: excuse makers and risk takers. The risk takers are the ones that are creating the life they want, creating the circumstances they want, and it's like oil and water. So don't let them mix. Don't be an excuse maker anymore. Take action. Move forward. Write things down. Focus on what you want. Go for the life you want. And then let me know how that went. And remember, help eliminate mental blindness disease by thinking differently and doing different things today. If you're not watching this on my YouTube channel, make sure you do and subscribe, and I'll give you more great videos like this. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video, hopefully on a sunny day.